Welcome to another ARES tutorial. Let's explore alerts. Before we move into the application, notice that this button is flashing red. This is what you will see when there is a new urgent alert or an edit to an existing urgent alert when you first log into ARES. This application gives officers a place to quickly add or view alerts about a person of interest. Alerts, also known or referred to as notifications, are visible to all users in the system, regardless of role or agency, including officers in all counties serviced by ARES. All alerts are visible in this first section of the application. Dates on display tell us when the alert was created and when it's set to purge. All alerts will expire in 2 weeks. We have a preview of the alert's description, information about any images, as well as the author. Notice that the type is in red. This tells us that it's been flagged as urgent. On the right, we can view the details or edit this alert. Up top, we can search or filter within the existing alerts and print a detailed list. On the left, we can create a new alert. We've also added a link to California's Megan's Law registry. Clicking this link will open a new tab in your browser so that you don't have to leave ARES. Let's go ahead and create a new alert. Start the form by selecting the type of alert from the drop-down. Depending on the type of a notification you have, the form may change and new fields will be visible. We'll select Be on the Lookout. We add our text in the body, and here we can flag this alert as urgent, and in doing so, it will cause the button to flash red for the other ARES users to see when they log in. Users can add an image by either uploading one from a local machine or pulling one straight from ARES. To add an image, attach a file as you normally would by browsing your local machine or network. For the caption, enter the person's name. We'll save it and return to the previous screen. Or maybe we want to pull from the mugshots in ARES. Users have access to CalPhoto and Contra Costa Jail. Be sure to click Show Fields to begin your search. Let's go ahead and look for an example. With all of the results on display, we can float over the image with our mouse and the person's name and other details will become visible. If we need to edit our search, we can make adjustments over on the left. When we select our photo, we head back over to the alert. Let's click Save now that we have added our images. Let's continue and head back over to the full list of notifications. Now it's saved and on display with today's date and set to purge in 2 weeks. Don't forget that on the right we can view details or make edits. Details will give us the full alert that we just created. We can also print this alert like we talked about before. Click on the Print button and a new tab will open that you can print from. To edit, update, or delete this alert, we'll click this Edit link. To edit, make any changes to the record and click Save. Or to delete this notification, click the Delete button and confirm the request. When we have several on display, we can perform a search or filter the list. Select from any combination of type and agency to filter your search and click Show Matching Notifications. With our urgent alert in place, let's look at ARES from the view of another user. When they log into ARES, the Alerts button is flashing and it's prompting them to view the application. Let's review. Alerts give officers a place to quickly add and view notifications about a person of interest. These notifications are visible to all users in the system, regardless of role or agency. This application also gives officers the flexibility of using images that are already in the system or from a local machine. Users starting their session in ARES will see a flashing alerts button when there are new or updated urgent alerts in the system. Thanks for exploring alerts.